What are you doing? I just ate, but I'm still hungry. I want to eat my hand. What are you doing, Logan? What are you doing? Baby, come to your mommy. What are you doing? Boy, can you stop eating your hand? This is my baby boy. We just ate a lot. 2 bottles. And now we're eating my hand because it's fun. Isn't that fun? Is that fun? Mmm, yummy. My hand tastes good. Here, man, baby boy. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Look at those legs. Booby, what are you doing? Logan. Logan. Logan, talk to mommy. Logan. 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 Oh. I don't get it. I don't get it. That's it. No more hungry. No more hands.